Hello friends, today our topic is API request, response and collections. Let me first explain you about the API request. So it is a single request which you made to the server and get response regarding that. Like requesting Facebook or Instagram application to get you logged in. So this is basically a simple request. So API request is basically something from the front end. Like let's say we are going to log in into the Facebook application. So from Facebook application, we have one screen called login screen from where you can provide the username and password. And based on that username, if it is correct, you are redirected to the home screen. So there is an API which basically communicate between the front end and the back end. So as soon as you provide the detail, internally it will process those details, it will be validated, and based on that, you can redirect it to the landing screen. So these are the API requests. Now we have API response. So it is a response which you receive from the server after making any request. Like in the above example I have explained, when you request to log in into the Facebook application, in response it will give you one token, which will help you to access other functionality of the application. So as soon as you logged in, to like when you hit the API request, it will give some response in the response body in this screen like this. This is the format of the response. There may be some different format as well. Like currently we are using JSON format. So the response will look something like this in the JSON form. So based on each request, we will have some response from the server, and based on those response, we will perform next operation. Thereafter, we have collections. So it is arranged sequence of the API request inside a folder. It's called as collection. So collection is just a set of multiple requests. These term is like you can say we have 10 different API. We can use those API one by one anywhere. But when we put all those API requests inside a folder, we can say it as a collection. That's it.